I can't pronounce the name of this place, but this is really a nice place. You can really swim here, and you can see the waterfall. Plenty of people here, and the water it's not cold and it's not warm, it's just nice. A bit of slippery down here, but it's pretty okay. So yeah, so again, this is at Northern Territory. Yeah, that's Visa there. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, so if you think Darwin is just about crocodiles or just wildlife, yeah, and you have all these hidden places which is pretty cool. You can actually venture around. Yeah. By the way, this place is free. You just need to either follow a local tour or you can drive down here. I'll post the name of the place at the description, or you can read it at my blog at placesandfoods.com. Thank you for watching.